On your big day, you want a perfect smile. But sometimes you need a little help. We're continuing our wedding week with cosmetic dentist Scott Finlay. What is cosmetic surgery when it comes to dental work? I mean, a lot of people think cosmetic surgery and you're nipping and tucking, but the dental stuff is really more involved, isn't it?
Absolutely. And cosmetic dentistry has to do with anything that a dentist may do to enhance the aesthetics of someone's smile. And certainly on your wedding day, that's one of those hallmark days in your life, and you deserve to look your best. And I don't think there's much about your external facade that tells you more about how you feel on the inside than your smile. And there are a lot of things that can be done to improve your smile.
Okay, well, let's talk about the difference that it can make. We have some before and after pictures, and show us what we're looking at here.
Well, in certain examples, as you're seeing on the screen right now, are people that have had either veneers or porcelain onlays completed to improve their smile. And some of these improvements are rather dramatic, and some folks may not need quite that much of treatment in order to improve their smile. Simple whitening will obviously improve the color. Maybe some bonding or reshaping of teeth can improve the contours of their smile. But in more involved cases where we really want to enhance someone's smile, that will probably involve some veneers.
Now, do you always go for that blinding white that we often see in animation and the like, or do you go for a true pearl color?
Absolutely. My personal preference is to have a naturally white smile than it would be to have an extremely Hollywood white smile. Beauty's in the eye of the beholder, and it depends on what that individual patient may request to have for their smile. And I think the tendency often is to go whiter than white. But as a rule of thumb, you look at the whites of someone's eyes and you try to come close to a color that matches the whites of their eyes. And beyond that certainly is an enhancement that is up to the patient. I think it's important that both the dentist and the individual having the treatment completed have a common vision of where their smile or where the patient's smile is going to be when you're finished.
What do you think about those whitening products that you buy in drugstores and the like?
I think it's a great way for patients to be able to test drive the whitening experience. Obviously, professional whitening is going to create a much grander result, but it's a very non-invasive way for patients to go out and try something and see if it works, see if it's for them. And for us, I think it's kind of interesting because it does get patients focused on the health of their mouth and their smile.
There you go, and always a healthy mouth is always important.
Absolutely.
Well, Dr. Scott Finlay is located at 1460 Ritchie Highway, Suite 203. If you want more information, you can call 410-757-6681 or log on to our website, foxbaltimore.com, and click on Sightseeing Links.